Hello students, I am Professor Nikam S.R. I am working in Mahatma Gandhi Vidya Mandir's MSG Junior College, Malegaon camp. So, in last video, we have taken the first example for balancing of redox reaction by oxidation number method. That reaction occurs in acidic medium. Now, here we have to give the second reaction which occurs in basic medium. So, very important question, that is question, balance the following redox reaction by oxidation number method. That is, reaction is given. Second example, MnO4 minus in aqueous state plus Br minus in aqueous state, that gives MnO2 manganese dioxide in solid state plus BrO3 minus ion in aqueous state, and this reaction takes place in basic medium. Now, that is step first. Write the given unbalanced or skeletal equation as it is. After writing this equation in the first step, assign oxidation number to each atom in the given reaction. ज्या दिलेली रिॲक्शन पुन्हा लिहून घेतली आणि प्रत्येकाचं आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, प्रत्येक एलिमेंटचं प्रत्येक ॲटमचं ऑक्सिडेशन नंबर राईट डाऊन करायचा आहे, असाइन करायचा आहे. आपण हे एक्झाम्पल्स ऑलरेडी घेतलेले आहेत पूर्वी. मॅग्नीजचा ऑक्सिडेशन नंबर आपण कॅल्क्युलेट करायचा. हे कॅल्क्युलेशन ऑक्सिडेशन नंबरचं कॅल्क्युलेशन जे आहे ते आपण आन्सर पेपरच्या लास्ट पेजवर रफ वर्क म्हणून करू शकतो. मॅग्नीजचं +7 ऑक्सिडेशन नंबर असाइन केलेला आहे. Oxygen has -2 oxidation state. Then Br minus has -1 oxidation number. In the product MnO2, in MnO2, Mn has +4 oxidation number. Oxygen has always -2 oxidation number. Plus BrO3 minus having, that is Br has +5 oxidation number. Now if we see at the reaction, then this reaction is balanced except oxygen and hydrogen. There is single Mn and bromine atoms are present in reactant as well as in product also. There are single atoms. So this reaction is balanced except oxygen and hydrogen. That is the step number first. Step second मध्ये पण परत वरची रिॲक्शन आपण जशीच्या तशी लिहू शकतो. सेम रिॲक्शन वी हॅव टू राईट. नाव स्टेप सेकंड, दॅट इज आयडेंटिफाय द ॲटम्स दॅट हॅव चेंज्ड ऑक्सिडेशन नंबर. असे ऑक्सिडेशन नंबर, असे ॲटम्स आपल्याला आयडेंटिफाय करायचे की ज्यांचा ऑक्सिडेशन नंबर बदल झालेला आहे, चेंज झालेला आहे. मग आता ते आपल्याला कशाने ओळखता येणार आहे, तर ऑक्सिडेशन नंबर आपण शो केलेले त्याच्या साहाय्याने आपण ते ओळखू शकतो की कोणत्या ॲटमचा ऑक्सिडेशन नंबर चेंज झालेला आहे. तर या ठिकाणी मॅग्नीज, इफ यू सी द MnO4, in MnO4 minus manganese has +7 oxidation state, and if you see the product in MnO2, the Mn has +4 oxidation number. Hence here the oxidation number of manganese reduces. That means oxidation number decreases from +7 to +4. मॅग्नीजचा ऑक्सिडेशन नंबर हा कमी होताना आपल्याला दिसतोय, म्हणजेच त्याचं काय झालेलं आहे, मॅग्नीजचं रिडक्शन झालेलं आहे. सो दॅट इज द MnO4 minus is reduced species. Its oxidation number decreases, and both the Mn terms, they are connected with the help of this bracket. Then if we look at bromine minus ion, then it has -1 oxidation number, and if you see in the product BrO3 minus has, bromine has +5 oxidation number. That means here the oxidation number of bromine increases from -1 to +5. ब्रोमिनचा ऑक्सिडेशन नंबर या ठिकाणी वाढताना आपल्याला दिसतोय, आणि म्हणून ब्रोमिनचे जे टर्म्स आहेत, दोघे ॲटम्स आपण कनेक्ट केले वरच्या साईडला, that is Br minus is a oxidized space, that is oxidized, that means oxidation number or ON increases. So that is the step number second. Identify the oxidation, identify the atoms that have changed the oxidation number. Then step number third, now we have to find the total decrease in oxidation number of manganese and total increase in oxidation number of bromine. So step number third, total decrease in oxidation number of manganese Mn equal to, that is if you see the equation, that is Mn oxidation number decreases from +7 to +4. That means the total decrease in oxidation number of Mn equal to +7 minus in bracket +4. That means 7 minus 4 equal to 3. That is +3 is the total decrease in oxidation number of Mn manganese. Same, the total increase in oxidation number of bromine. Now if you see the bromine, that is -1 to +5. That means the total increase in oxidation number of bromine Br equal to +5 minus +5 minus -1. That is 5 minus plus 5 plus 1, that is equal to 6. Hence we get the total decrease in oxidation number equal to +3, total increase in oxidation number equal to 6. So in the step 4 we have to balance, that is to balance the net change in oxidation number, multiply MnO4 minus. If we multiply the manganese factor, that is MnO4 minus and MnO2 by 2, जर आपण दोनाने मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर टोटल डिक्रीज इन ऑक्सिडेशन नंबर आणि टोटल इन्क्रीज इन ऑक्सिडेशन नंबर ते काय होईल, इक्वल होतील. सो that is factor is 2. So therefore see the above reaction, and that reaction should, or that equation should be multiplied by 2. That is MnO4 minus is multiplied by 2 plus Br minus is as it is. If you see that above reaction, then BrO3 minus as it is in the above reaction, same, plus here now MnO2 is multiplied by 2, that is plus 2 into MnO2. So we get this reaction now. So these are the 4 steps. Now step number 5, now we have to balance the oxygen atoms in both the sides, reactant as well as in product. So if we see in LHS side, there are 8 oxygen atoms, 4 into 2, and in product there are, that is BrO3, there is 3 oxygen, and in MnO2 there are 4 oxygen atoms into multiplied by 2. That means 4 oxygen plus 3, that is 7 oxygen atoms are present in RHS side, and 8 oxygen atoms are present in LHS side. That means 1 oxygen atom are less in right hand side. So in step 5, for balance of oxygen atoms, there are 8 oxygen atoms on LHS side and 7 oxygen atoms on RHS side. Hence, to balance the oxygen atoms, add 1 water molecule. For balancing of oxygen atom, water molecule should be added. So 1 oxygen, for 1 oxygen, 1 water molecule is added on which side? RHS side. So if you see the above reaction, then we have to write, therefore 2 MnO4 minus in aqueous state plus Br minus in aqueous state as it is, we have to write in the product, that is BrO3 minus in aqueous state as it is, plus 2 molecules of MnO2 solid state as it is, plus now here we have to add H2O in liquid state. There is the only one difference in above reaction and this reaction, that is H2O in liquid state. Now our work is to balance the hydrogen atoms. Now to balance the hydrogen atoms on both the sides, that means here due to the addition of 1 water molecule in the product side, the 2 hydrogen atoms are less in the left hand side. There is no hydrogen atom can be shown in the left hand side. Hence we have to add, to balance the hydrogen, that is add twice H plus ions to the LHS side, and for that purpose, therefore same 2 molecules of MnO4 minus plus Br minus as it is, plus twice H plus R added, and then arrow shows that is the same part of above reaction is written here, BrO3 minus plus 2 molecules of MnO2 plus H2O as it is. Now here this reaction takes place in basic medium. So since the reaction occurs in basic medium, hence we have to add OH minus ions, hydroxide ions should be added. And how much that OH minus ions are added? That OH minus ions are added equal to H plus ions added before. Now before the reaction 2 H plus ions are added, hence due to the basic medium we have to add the 2 OH minus ions now. Therefore 2 MnO4 minus plus Br minus plus 2 H plus plus 2 OH minus ions, and in the right side same part is there, that means BrO3 minus plus 2 MnO2 plus H2O, and now here plus twice OH minus are added. If we see the reaction, then these 2H plus and 2OH minus, they will form the 2 water molecules. Okay, here in the LHS side 2 water molecules are formed in the next step. Now there are 2 water molecules in left hand side and 1 water molecule in right hand side. That means 1 water molecule get cancelled, and after cancelling the 1 water molecule in both the sides, we get the final equation, final reaction, that is therefore 2 MnO4 minus in aqueous state plus Br minus in aqueous state plus H2O, only 1 water molecule is now remaining in liquid state, that gives BrO3 minus in aqueous state plus 2 MnO2 in solid state plus here finally 2 OH minus ions in aqueous medium, that is 1 water molecule should be cancelled. So अशा पद्धतीने आपण ब्रॅकेट करून घेणार आहोत हे इक्वेशन. सो दिस इज द फायनल इक्वेशन. दिस इक्वेशन इज बॅलन्स्ड with respect to the number of atoms. All the atoms of different elements are balanced. Now according to the charges, जर आपण चार्जेसचा अभ्यास केला तर चार्जेस बघूया आपण. या ठिकाणी 2 MnO4 मायनस म्हणजेच 2 मायनस चार्जेस, नंतर Br मायनस म्हणजेच -3 charges, -3 charges on left hand side, and if we look at right hand side, that is due to the 2 OH minus ion, that is 2 minus, and here BrO3 minus, that is minus. So minus plus 2 minus, that is 3 minus charges on right hand side, 3 minus charges are on left hand side. That means this reaction is balanced according to the number of atoms as well as according to the charges. So this is the balanced redox reaction. Okay, in this way we can solve, or we can balance the given redox reaction by oxidation number method, whether the reaction given in acidic medium as well as in basic medium. So students, now for your home assignment, there is homework is given for you. See the question: balance the following redox reaction by oxidation number method. So first A, H2SO4 in aqueous state plus carbon in solid state, that gives CO2 in gaseous state plus SO2 in gaseous state plus H2 in liquid, and this reaction takes place in acidic medium. Second B, BiOH thrice in solid state plus SnOH thrice minus in aqueous state, that gives Bi bismuth in solid state plus SnOH6 twice minus aqueous state, and this second reaction takes place in basic medium. So for your home assignment, one reaction is for acidic, one reaction is for basic medium. Now you have to balance this reaction by oxidation number method. जेव्हा सगळे तुमचे लेक्चर्स संपतील रेडॉक्स रिॲक्शनचे, तर शेवटचा लेक्चर मी तुमचं एक व्हिडिओ लेक्चर, जेवढे एक्झाम्पल्स तुम्हाला मी होमवर्कला दिलेले आहेत होम असाइनमेंटसाठी, ते आपण सगळेचे सगळे वेळ मिळाल्यावर सॉल्व करून घेऊ. सो द नेक्स्ट पार्ट वी विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओ. थँक्यू.